Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so nothing blocks progress. Log into Google AI Studio, verify your project and billing, and enable the AI and storage APIs. Once done, locate the model ID and dataset ID you'll use and secure API keys or OAuth credentials. Make sure your region matches where resources live to avoid latency and permission misalignment. These steps prevent runtime authorization errors and give you a guaranteed starting point to run the first experiment without wasted setup loops. Next, focus on preparing and connecting data so training proceeds smoothly. Clean and label your dataset, then split into train, validation, and test sets to measure performance reliably. Once prepared, upload to cloud storage and link that location in AI Studio so the model has direct access. Configure model parameters, learning rate, batch size, and epochs based on dataset size. Start conservative and scale up. Then kick off a small test run to validate pipelines, because verifying data flow early saves long reruns later. Now execute training and monitoring while iterating quickly. Start the training job, watch logs and metrics for loss and accuracy trends, and make incremental hyperparameter adjustments based on validation results. Once satisfied, run the held-out test set to confirm generalization. If something breaks, stop and inspect common culprits: IAM permissions, API quotas, regional and point mismatches, or incorrect input formats. As a troubleshooting tip, reproduce the error locally with a minimal sample and the same credentials to isolate the root cause before scaling fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.